In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT search in Google. Now, basically there are two different ways of doing this, and the first one is by going to chatgpt.com and then tapping on this search icon over here. As you can see, search, and now what you can do is you can just search anything that you want. For example, tell me the latest news about Max Verstappen. And now ChatGPT is gonna search the web and it's gonna tell the latest news about Max Verstappen. It's gonna add some photos, and you can even ask for something like the weather in Mexico, whatever you want. It is very cool. But there is also a second way, and that is by using Google. So what you can do is you can tap on your name over here, and then you can tap on Get ChatGPT Search Extension. So just tap on this over here, and then tap on Add to Chrome. So tap this and tap and install either, add extension, and now the extension is installed. So let me test this right now. So after you install the extension, you can just type anything in the search bar over here. So for example, what's the weather in Dubai tomorrow? And then just press enter, and this will redirect you to the ChatGPT extension, as you can see. Or the app actually. As you can see, tomorrow, Saturday, November 2, 2024, Dubai is expected to have clear and sunny weather. The high temperature will be around blah blah. So that is basically, now it's taking Google data, and you can chat with that in ChatGPT. This is just a new update, revolutionary and insane. Google will be very scared of this. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.